Good morning student. In our last period we learned some important points of our second lesson India events after 1960. In the last period we learned Indian economy, then science and technology and changes in social field. Now today we are going to see the last point of our lesson, globalization. Globalization brought about many changes in different fields like economy, politics, science and technology, and society and culture. Means due to globalization, many changes took place in different fields. Due to globalization, many changes took place in different fields, and the fields are economy, politics, science and technology, and society and culture. We have discussed some of these changes in the above paragraph. And in science and technology, and in society, then in economic, and in politics, what changes happened? We discussed these some points in the before paragraphs, in the above paragraphs. India has emerged as an important country on the global scene in different spheres. India became the important country. India became the important country on the global scene in different spheres. India is an important member of international organizations like G20 and BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. India is the important member of international organizations. India became the important member of international organizations like G20 and BRICS. India has experienced an important revolution in the field of telecommunication technology. And in the field of telecommunication technology, India experienced important revolution. Mobile phones, internet, and the communication facilities based on satellite have spread all across the country. The communication facilities which based on satellites, just like mobile phones and internet, spread all across the country. In the political field, India has demonstrated to the world how a stable democracy can function successfully. And in political field too, India has demonstrated to the world that how a stable democracy can function successfully. All this has resulted in a total transformation in the lifestyle of Indians and especially the youth. And due to these discoveries or due to this progress, a result is seen. A total transformation is seen in the lifestyle of the Indians. The lifestyle of the Indians totally changed, and especially the youth. These changes are visible from their dietary habits, clothing, language, and beliefs. And these changes are visible. We see the changes of the youth in their dietary, in their habits, in their clothing, means their lifestyle, in their language, and in their beliefs. In the next chapter, we are going to study some internal changes before India, and in the next chapter, means in the third chapter, we are going to study some internal changes which India have to face. Here we finished our second lesson, India events after 1960, and today's homework is complete question number 1. Complete question number 1, A and B in your notebook. Thank you.